Fruits are the second healthiest foods on the planet after vegetables.
Imagine if there were a drug that could decrease your risk of dying by 1/3.
The best thing that I can do is to take a fruit and showcase it with as little meddling as possible.
You need to realize the important difference between sugar in its natural form, the way nature intended, versus these so-called industrial sugars.
We have to take control. Even if you are just able to do it once or twice or 3 times a week, that makes a huge impact on your health.